Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Vancouver property tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in vancouver.ca and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Vancouver tax website. Now in order to access property tax, click on the property tax section underneath pay from the main homepage. You can then scroll down and you will find the login to your account section. Click on this button and you will be taken into the login portal. Now within the email address section, type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then type in your account password within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on the Vancouver property tax website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the reset button underneath the login box and you can click on it and use your email address to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your property tax website account on the Vancouver tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.